guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you have landed here for the very first time. Hope you subscribed to my channel, clicked on notification bell so don't miss out any further updates. You can also follow me on my Instagram जिसकी link होगी description box में. Namaste, this is Dvija और कैसे हैं आप? The sunshine in human form और आज हम देख रहे हैं reacting to toxic new ट्रेलर. आई थिंक ट्रेलर इट्स हियर एंड हिंदी में अगर मिले तो अच्छी बात है. आई डोंट नो इफ देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन हिंदी और नहीं है, मुझे नहीं पता है. बट ओके, आई थिंक लेडीज़ एंड लेडीज़ इज़ द नेम फॉर इट. इंग्लिश में है और हिंदी में है. लेडीज़ एंड लेडीज़ टॉक्सिक हिंदी. यश, नयनतारा, कियारा, तारा, हुमा, ओ वाओ, रुक्मिनी, KVN, माइंड, KVN Productions. I think I chose the right one because sometimes I choose the fan made और पता भी नहीं चलता. Playing. Okay. Make sure your kids stay away. Grandparents, make sure your kids stay away. Grandparents, at your risk, है? Wait, I didn't understand or okay, we'll get back to that later.
Love makes monsters of women.
Okay.
It is a beautiful illusion if one
And
understands the depth of
Kiara.
its deception.
Tara.
And yet here we are.
Rukmini. I don't know her.
Fighting for his scraps
Huma.
of devotion.
Yeah.
Ladies
They are not the same.
and ladies.
Okay.
एक एक करके आओगे या एक साथ आओगे?
Yes. हैं?
But here comes a plot twist, ladies.
Okay. I don't know what to make of this. To be honest, first of all, like I said, I don't know कि मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी है या फिर बहुत खराब है, क्योंकि मुझे समझ नहीं आया है इंग्लिश. I thought ये हिंदी में है, which is यहाँ पे लिखा है हिंदी में, but then the narration was kind of in English. The start, especially ये जो लिखा है disclaimer जैसा कुछ था. Kids, yes, this one. Yeah, kids stay away. Parents, make sure your kids stay away. Grandparents, make sure your kids stay away. Great grandparents, at your own risk. I mean, I really hope कि सबके great grandparents हैं यहाँ पे. I mean, not to like, I'm laughing, but I'm not like, you know कि मैं इस तरह से बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, right? But this just makes no sense at all. This makes sense. जो स्टार्ट का वाला है कि हाँ चलो किड्स स्टे अवे, क्योंकि नाम ही ऐसी है मूवी की, और हमने जितना भी देखा है फर्स्ट और इसमें, इट सीम्स लाइक अ वेरी certain things are included in my opinion for no reason at all. I really hope this video makes it, to be honest. मुझे नहीं पता कितनी चीज़ मुझे निकालनी पड़ेगी, मोज़ाइक करनी पड़ेगी और म्यूट करनी पड़ेगी, which I will if at all अपलोड हो रही है तो मैं करूँगी, क्योंकि ये मेरी चैनल है and I have a lot of restrictions in the moment. If you don't know, you can go through my post, या फिर कोई मैं बता देगा. It's okay. It's a long story. But I don't know how it's going to make it and how much it's going to make it. But certain things were definitely what? See, I get it कि उसका नाम टॉक्सिक है, राइट? तो उसको वो बंदा है या फिर दो बंदे हैं, एज पर द थियोरीज दैट वी सॉ लास्ट टीजर में, इज गोइंग टू बी हैविंग टॉक्सिक character, right? Obviously, I mean, the person who like is with every single woman यहाँ पे जितने, I don't know if they were different women or same, वो जो भी है, but obviously it's not right. It's just ew. But I mean, it was much more than anything else that I saw. Maybe which I don't know, maybe because I was thinking of how much to cut. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know, but this thing definitely doesn't make sense except for the first two lines. Parents, make sure your kids stay away. This makes sense. I get it that disclaimer was necessary, especially for this kind of movie and whatever it has up until now that we have seen. Even if there is violence. So that's the whole reason Dhurandhar was as an adult rated movie. It was an adult rated movie. And rightfully so, उसमें जो दिखाया गया है वो चीज़ें बच्चों के लिए नहीं थी. Maybe they might be shocked or they try to recreate it. और कुछ लोग हो सकते हैं बड़े जिनके दिमाग पैदल है तो उनके लिए भी होना चाहिए था, लेकिन नहीं हुआ. आई होप फ्यूचर में सब चीज़ों के लिए ऐसा हो. But regardless of that, it was done very respectfully and very well made movie. Amazingly well made movie, to be honest. So yeah, I mean there are certain things in this I don't know, just because वो character है इसीलिए नाम दे दिया है toxic, तो इसीलिए that is one of the things he does which is not very good. And I don't know, but even if it's a film, I feel like certain things should not be shown in too much of quantity. या फिर तुम वहीं पे मतलब ऐसी मूवी लग रहा हो 50 Shades of, like that was a movie totally on it, तो वो चलता है. That's a whole different, because वही है मूवी में. I don't know if you're like trying to give the name toxic and then, you know, getting a free pass of doing things like this and just like, oh, because it's, oh, we are like macho. Well, you're not macho. I mean, if you need validation of so many people and like do all these things, so macho nahi ho. You need a lot of help actually in different ways. But I don't know what to make of this teaser, to be honest. मुझे नहीं पता मैंने क्या देखा. I really wanted to see more of the ladies now that I got to know कि अच्छा ladies बस ladies का सब नाम है, और एक के बाद एक जब start में आने लगी ladies, I was like, oh, now we'll get to know their characters or something about them, because I had no idea इतनी सारी ladies है इसमें, first of all. And I really did not see much except things I didn't want to see, and I think we will have to cut it off. And also at the end जो पता नहीं क्या था, I thought वो same ladies होंगी जो उनके साथ, but maybe they are with Yash or against Yash. I don't know. I think we have to see the movie to find out. But those ladies were different ladies and they were trying to fight Yash, but then obviously Yash is the actor and South Indian movies में actor तो भगवान होते हैं, तो फिर वो कभी भी कोई भी हो सामने उनको तो हरा ही देते हैं. So that's how they have shown. And what dialogue was that at the end? Obviously I'm going to mute it. Really? I don't know what to make of this. I swear. I really want to I want it to be good. मैं स्टार्ट में बताया I really like Yash and I'm genuinely hoping. मैं तो बहुत excited थी जब ये टॉक्सिक का नाम आया था स्टार्ट में after KGF and everything. Oh, he's coming back, and I was like, okay, I'm here for him. But the way it's getting here, I don't think I am that level excited as I was. Teaser was a big letdown. A big letdown. This is equal letdown to me. But I don't know, maybe if we see more of breakdowns and we get to know a lot of things that we have missed on, that I might change my mind because I have more information. अभी जितनी information है उससे तो मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है what to make of it. And it's not in a good way what to make of it. I don't know. I know Shan has uploaded. I could see that thumbnail on it. Like I said, I've seen few things on Twitter, but I just scrolled past it. And now I just think, okay, whatever I'd seen makes absolute sense. Sure, I tried my best to not let it overpower या bias ना हो उससे, और नहीं हुआ. I really saw it as unbiased as possible. But yes, whatever I had seen was not positive, whatever I saw. नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे कुछ भी. बट ये क्यों इन्होंने इंग्लिश में सब किया जब हिंदी लिखा है, तो इज इट ट्रांसलेशन मिस्टेक? हो सकता है. पीपल हु आर फ्रॉम साउथ एंड हु आर लाइक हैव सीन कन्नड़ा वाला, आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ प्रोनाउंस, माफ करना अगर नहीं है तो आई एम गुजराती, आई डोंट नो मच अबाउट इट. तो एक ट्रांसलेशन मिस्टेक हो सकती है. आई डोंट नो, एक्सप्लेन मी. आई एम लॉस्ट. Anyway, I just hope this video makes it, because मुझे नहीं पता कि यार ये चैनल पे ये चीज़ आ सकती है कि नहीं। आई नो a lot of you wanted me to see, मैंने लास्ट वाला किया था, सो आई थिंक ये जा सकता है, बट मेहनत लगेगी और आपसे और आपकी कंसिडरेशन लगेगी, तो लगा ना बिकॉज़ ऐसे ही आएगा जो आएगा वो। बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू मेक ऑफ इट। आई एम नॉट वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस। आई एम अपसेट बिकॉज़ आई रियली वांटेड कि जितनी भी मैं चीज़ें मैंने देखी थी वैसे वो सही ना निकले। I really want this movie to do good for Yash and for Yash to do better things because I like him. He could have done a better job or chosen a better movie for him. और ट्रेलर क्योंकि हमने मूवी नहीं देखी है, टीजर show better things in it, but this was a lot of things were just so unnecessary and so it's a very popular word now, and I'm not throwing around because it's everywhere, but it genuinely seems like a very incel kind of movie. I'm not here for it. Yeah, kind of left a bad taste in my mouth. Yeah, no puns intended. Anyway, I don't know again what to make of it, but and not in a good way. I think we still need to wait and see, and probably see much more information about this to keep on and be like extremely negative about this. But for now, I don't know. I hope it's not like this. What did you feel? What did you think? Let me know. Bye. Love you.